In this video I will show you how to create scrolling time effect in CapCut, and let's get started. Add text and write numbers in a column. For example, from 2000 to 2026. Choose a desired font. Adjust the text size. Put 2000 in the middle. And set a keyframe at the beginning of the text. Put 2024 in the middle and set a keyframe at the end of the text. Right-click on the text and select Show Keyframe Animation. Click on Graphs. Choose the desired graph. I select this one, and animation is ready. Right-click on the text. Select Create Compound Clip. Select Rectangle Mask. Adjust the size so the text fits inside, and slightly increase the phaser. And now the animation is ready. To save time, ask ChatGPT write your numbers in a column. If you need editing materials such as sound effects, background music, thumbnail assets, and more than 100 GB of other content, you can find it on my Telegram channel. I leave a link in the description. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.